we got?
Mystery tackle box.
Our mystery tackle box today. I think it's like June. What's today's date? June 13th. It's really late this month. Just got it today. Could have got it yesterday. We weren't home, but we got a special guest today. What's your name, buddy?
Yeah.
Sal. Sal's joining us for the unboxing today. Before we begin, if you wouldn't mind doing so, liking the video. It helps us get better views. Most of you probably already know all of this. Like, subscribe, share, all that, you know the deal. So we're gonna get to this real quick because it's real hot. All right, open her up. Other way.
Geez, I've spent like a couple of years doing these and I don't know how to open it.
All right, here. We got what's inside your box. We got the dibble. Here's Sal. Let me take my boat apart, man.
Your boat apart?
Yeah, don't take my boat apart. Okay, here we go. Joe, number one.
Bagley spinner shad.
Bagley spinner shad. MTV
$10.99.
exclusive. It's $10.99. Designed to swim on the surface, replicating a dying shad. It's got a rear propeller, made of balsa wood. I don't know how big it is.
Hi, done.
Not your turn. It looks pretty real. I don't know if it's worth $11, but it looks good. Come on.
Hi, done.
Here we go. Looks good. $11. No, not yet. Joe next.
Okay. Strike Pro Swing Pop. $10.49.
Strike Pro Swing Pop Bluegill, 3.5 inches long, top water. That looks like a bluegill.
Yeah, but
That look good.
I like it.
Got some knockers in there.
All kinds of that.
Okay.
That is your button.
It looks good.
That is your button.
How much is that, Joe? Don't touch my button.
And there you put that.
$10.49. $10.50 for that. $11 for the first one. Hey, you have to be quiet or you're not going to participate anymore, okay? Okay. Joe next. $10.50 for that one. $11 for the last one.
$5 lifted jigs next kitchen worm.
Pitch and jig.
Swim.
Pitch and swim.
Oh my gosh. This one.
How much? $5?
This one. Yep. This one.
Black and blue. 4-aught megabyte hook.
This one.
It's got a bait keeper. Chip resistant paint. 42 strand premium skirts. That's pretty good looking. Alright, $5 for that?
This.
What's next?
This.
No, not yet.
Buddha Baits Swagger Worm.
Buddha Baits Swagger Worm. Ooh.
That one touch him.
You want to touch them. Of course you do. Those look good.
That one touch him.
Shiny. Hold on, buddy. You can touch them when we're done. How much were those, Joe?
$4.99.
$4.99. Alright, what's next?
Right Baits the Tantrum.
Right Baits the Tantrum. Black and blue. Little crawls. Looks like probably for the probably for the jig. Oh yeah. Ooh. Nice and greasy. Look at that. You wanna hold it? Okay, hold on, let me show that. How much are these, Joe?
$4.99.
$4.99. There's a bunch of them in there.
$4.99.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of them.
There's a bunch of $5 worms in there.
$5 worms, bunch of $5 worms. What's next?
Exo Lures Pro Series Adrenaline Bug.
Adrenaline bug. Floating crawls.
Ooh.
Not for human consumption, as the package says. You hear that, Sal? Sal, you're not supposed to eat these.
Yeah.
Okay, don't eat them. Another black and blue. That's a bigger bug. Yeah. Sweet. How much are those?
$3.
$3 for 4 of them. All right, what's next?
Stickies offset worm hook. 210.
Worm hooks. 3 offset. And last but not least,
A sticker.
a sticker.
I want to have sticker.
You want to have the sticker?
Yeah.
Of course you do. See? Kids like the stickers. Well, this guy likes any soft bait too. He has a collection that he takes to bed with him all the time.
He even has a tackle box full.
Got a tackle box full. He takes him in the bathtub.
That was my tackle box. I have no clue wherever you put
I don't
the
know,
last
man.
towel.
All right, you got anything you want to say to him? What did we eat yesterday? We had
Sockeye.
walleye.
Oh, yeah.
Caught a limit up at Lake Erie yesterday. Ate them all last night for dinner. And
Walleye.
it was amazing. Walleye. You like walleye, don't you?
I thought it was at Portage Lakes.
Nope, that was at Lake Erie.
Oh.
Maybe I'll throw a picture up so you guys can see them. All right, again, we greatly appreciate you guys watching the video. If you wouldn't mind doing so, please like, subscribe, and share. Especially liking. It really helps us out a lot. Again, what are we supposed to do with kids?
Did them.
Get
Keep
'em.
fishing with them.
Keep fishing with them. What'd you say?
Get them.
Get them?
Hit them.
Supposed to get them. No. You said get them. All right. Thank you guys for watching.